Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you make sure if your Binance account is secured or not. Now, in order to check that into your phone, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after that just simply go over this mini Binance icon into the top left corner. And after going in there, just simply select your Binance profile. And after selecting the Binance profile, go over security, and into the security you will get some options in order to check if your account is secured or not. Now first of all, you have to select this account activities option. Select that and you will get to see all of your account activities with time, source, location and IP address. Just simply check all that if your account is being logged in somewhere else where you are not using. And you can also check if your account is connected in other devices by going into this devices section. Tap to devices and then you can see all of the current devices where your account is logged in, and you can log out also. And this way you can make sure your account is secured or not, if your account is being used by others or not. I hope this video was pretty informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.